Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. In today's video, I will share the review of a newly launched product by Lakme. They recently launched their Sun Expert After Sun Gel. I will share my honest opinion and demo with you all. But before starting off with this video, go follow me on my social media handles if you haven't already. I'll leave it on the screen right here and also in the description box below just in case you want to follow me there. And yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. This product is priced at rupees 200 for 50 grams of the product, which is quite decent, I believe. This is how the product looks like. It comes in a normal cardboard casing with yellow color. Lakme's Sun Expert range generally has this color. There are a lot of details on the box itself, why to use, how to use, and every detail that you might possibly want to know about the product, along with ingredients list, which is a great thing. You know what you're applying on your skin. If I open this box, this is how the inside packaging looks like. This tub reminded me of the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer range. The 50 ml version also came in the exact sort of a packaging, only that this one has a yellow color, which obviously denotes the Lakme Sun Expert range. The tub is made up of plastic and is quite travel friendly. Overall, I find the packaging to be really cute. Moving on to the ingredients, I leave the first three main ingredients on the screen right here. The first ingredient is demineralized water. Now, demineralized water is a pure form of water from which all minerals and pollutants are removed, so it has a lot of skin and hair benefits. Second ingredient, that is silopentasiloxane, acts as a barrier and preventing your skin from having water loss. It keeps your skin hydrated and helps the product to soak in faster. This also helps in absorbing the heavier ingredients faster and better. Moving on to the third ingredient, I'm not going to pronounce this because this is very huge, but this one is a water dispersible silicone. Generally, the other silicones are oil dispersible. It makes the skin very smooth and nice. This also reduces the tackiness and gives the product a very silky sort of a feel. So yeah, this is all about the ingredients. I'll move on to the actual product now. I'll tell you what all this product claims. This claims that Lakme Sun Expert brings to you a lightweight gel specially designed to help soothe and refresh sun-exposed skin. Infused with lemongrass and cucumber extract, the unique cooling formula instantly breaks into water on application to hydrate skin so it looks and feels fresh, dermatologically tested and for all skin types. Claims to be a reparative solution for skin post-sun exposure. This is how the product looks like from inside. This is light green in color and is in a gel form. This does have a very slight fragrance. If you've used L'Oreal's Total Repair shampoo, that's exactly how it smells like. I know it's a very weird way to explain, but that's exactly how this smells like. This is how the texture looks like. Totally gel based. When I blend this straight up, this feels very lightweight. On settling, this is how it looks like. It sets into a total matte sort of a finish and is not at all tacky. I'll insert the demo right now and also tell you all how this product is supposed to be used according to the description given at the back. After sun exposure, wash face and apply Lakme Sun Expert After Sun Gel with light smoothing motions all over the face. Basically, this is a post sun exposure skincare. You have to just clean your face after you're done with your day and apply this. It will soothe and repair your skin. Now, there is no mention whether you need to top it off with a moisturizer or not, but I've shown you the end result that this sets into a matte finish. So this feels ideal for oily skin type. I'm an oily skin type and this feels pretty ideal for oily skin type and not for dry or normal skin type. If you want to give this a try, you definitely need to apply this and then top it off with a moisturizer. That's how you will feel hydrated and the goodness of this product is also received. This also mentions that it can be used all over the body or face, just in case you wanted to know. For my final thoughts, this did give me some sort of a calming effect and it felt quite fresh on my skin. Although I feel the hydration was not sufficient that I'll use it let alone, I will definitely top it off with a moisturizer. This is a product that I will definitely recommend it to you all. It's a beautiful, nice product, nothing too expensive, so you can definitely give it a try. And yeah, with that I finished this video. I hope you like it. If you did, you know what you need to do. Hit that like button, comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.